Okay, so welcome back to I guess part 4. Still working on this. I've got a nice blower on. I'm actually just turning it off for this. So I'm continuing off where I left off in the last video, getting this off, and I'm like, why the hell's it not coming off? It's like it should slip off. This one, everything slips on. Getting stressed out. And I'm scared to pull it too much because there is a lot of play in that in the shaft itself that goes in the engine. So what I just decided was get some lube on it, good old trusty stuff, and knock it about a little bit. That between that and that, just prior in it, I've got it to come off a little bit. So I'm just needing to film me taking it off now. So all I've been doing is just trying to pull it off, lubing it up, pushing it back on in that. Just try to get some leverage in it. Not being too harsh because I don't want to break nothing. Just jiggly, jiggly, jiggly. Oh yeah, yes. Oh yeah. Fuck you. Cool. I don't know why there's rubber bit is on it. It's not space or anything, because it just sits there. And it's exactly the same thickness as the new one, same tooth. So, but for some reason, same tooth, but it doesn't line up. I don't get that. So that was my problem. That's solved. I now have to try the rear one, get that off first, and then find a random pin on the chain to try and pop off. But yeah, well, happy with that. See, I hate it when I can't get something done. I'm like, why is it not going? I'm scared, I don't want to break it. But then once it gets done, I'm like, yes, that's what I'm talking about. And I got scared by a freaking leaf. Okay, let's try this one. Sure what this rubber things are, but that's important, I think. So tap this thing out. Oh, close. This is not sponsored by Dr. Pepper, even though it would be ace. Thank you. Look at that. This thing is worn to shit. All the same again. Same size of tooth and everything. So let's just give everything a bit of a clean up.
From beneath the sand, please don't take me close, seems so far away. Across the universe, she lives another day. I know the reason she's hate. I know the reason she's so far away. Far away. One more